Have you ever walked into your home and noticed an unpleasant odor? You're not alone. Many of us unknowingly engage in habits that contribute to bad smells in our living spaces. These lingering odors can make our homes feel less inviting and comfortable. Identifying the source of these smells is the first step to creating a fresher environment. Often, the culprits are everyday activities we don't think twice about. But with a few simple changes, we can significantly improve the air quality in our homes. In this video, we'll look at 28 common habits that might be making your house smell bad. We'll also provide easy solutions to help you maintain a clean, fresh-smelling home. Let's get started and transform your living space into a more pleasant and welcoming environment. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Not emptying trash bins regularly. Letting trash sit for too long is a surefire way to invite bad smells into your home. Even with good quality trash bags, food scraps and other waste can start to decompose and smell bad quickly. Make it a habit to empty your trash cans at least every other day, especially in the kitchen. This simple act can make a big difference in keeping your home smelling fresh. If you notice odors coming from your trash cans even after emptying them, consider giving them a quick wash with soap and water. Number 2. Ignoring refrigerator cleanouts. Your refrigerator can become a hidden source of unpleasant odors if not maintained properly. Forgotten leftovers and expired food items can create strong smells over time. Set a regular schedule to clean out your fridge, perhaps once a week or every 2 weeks. Remove any old or spoiled food and wipe down the shelves with a mixture of warm water and baking soda. This will help neutralize odors and keep your fridge smelling clean. Don't forget to check those hard-to-reach corners where spills might hide. Number 3. Leaving dirty dishes in the sink. We've all been tempted to leave dirty dishes in the sink after a long day, but this habit can lead to some seriously unpleasant smells. Food particles and grease left on dishes can start to rot and emit strong odors if not cleaned promptly. Try to wash dishes right after use, or at least rinse them thoroughly if you can't wash them immediately. If you have a dishwasher, load it throughout the day and run it before bed. Your kitchen will smell much fresher in the morning, and you'll start your day on a clean note. Number 4 on our list of reasons why your house smells bad is using a dirty dishwasher. Speaking of dishwashers, they need cleaning too. Many people assume that because dishwashers clean dishes, they must clean themselves. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Food particles and grease can get stuck in the dishwasher's filter and other parts, leading to bad smells. Clean your dishwasher's filter regularly according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once a month, run an empty cycle with a cup of white vinegar to freshen things up. Your dishes will come out cleaner and your kitchen will smell better. Number 5. Forgetting to clean the microwave. Microwaves often fall victim to food splatters and spills that go unnoticed. These bits of food can dry out, burn, and start to smell bad when you use the microwave again. Make it a habit to wipe down your microwave after each use, or at least once a day. For tough, dried-on spills, heat a bowl of water with lemon slices for a few minutes. The steam will soften the grime, making it easy to wipe away, and the lemon will leave a fresh scent. Number 6. Not cleaning the oven. An unclean oven can be a major source of bad smells in your kitchen. Grease and food particles left in the oven after cooking can burn the next time you use it, creating unpleasant odors. Try to wipe down your oven after each use, once it's cool enough to touch. For deeper cleaning, use a paste made of baking soda and water. Let it sit overnight, then wipe it away. Many modern ovens also have a self-cleaning feature you can use periodically. Regular oven maintenance will keep your kitchen smelling fresh and might even improve your cooking results. Number 7. Letting food spoil on the counter. That beautiful bowl of fruit on your counter can quickly turn into a source of bad smells if not monitored. Overripe fruits and vegetables can start to rot, attracting fruit flies and creating unpleasant odors. Check your produce regularly and use or refrigerate items as they ripen. If something does start to go bad, compost it or dispose of it quickly. Consider storing some fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator to extend their life and keep your kitchen smelling fresh. Number 8 on our list of reasons why your house smells bad is neglecting to take out the recycling. Recycling is great for the environment, but not so great for your nose if you're not careful. Unwashed recyclables, especially containers that hold food or drinks, can develop odors as bacteria multiply. Rinse out containers before putting them in your recycling bin. If possible, keep your recycling bin outside or in the garage to prevent any lingering smells from permeating your living space. Regular trips to empty your recycling can also help keep odors at bay. Number 9. Failing to wash pet bedding. We love our furry friends, but their bedding can become a source of unpleasant odors if not cleaned regularly. Pet hair, dirt, and oils can build up in pet beds, creating a musty or unpleasant smell. Wash your pet's bedding at least once a week, more often if your pet spends a lot of time outdoors or sheds heavily. Use a pet-safe detergent and consider adding a cup of white vinegar to the wash cycle to help neutralize odors. Your pets will appreciate a clean, fresh-smelling bed, and your home will smell better too. Number 10. Not cleaning litter boxes frequently. For cat owners, the litter box can be a significant source of household odors if not maintained properly. Litter boxes can produce strong ammonia-like odors if not scooped or cleaned regularly. Aim to scoop the litter box at least once a day and do a complete litter change and box cleaning once a week. Consider using an odor-absorbing litter and placing the litter box in a well-ventilated area. Your cats and your nose will thank you for the extra attention to their bathroom area. Number 11. Ignoring air vents and filters. Your home's air vents and filters play a crucial role in maintaining good air quality, but they're often overlooked when it comes to cleaning. Dust, dirt, and pet dander can accumulate in air filters and vents, which can then spread odors throughout the house. Change your air filters according to the manufacturer's recommendations, usually every 3 months. Vacuum your vents regularly, and consider having your ducts professionally cleaned if you notice persistent odors. Clean air vents and filters can significantly improve the overall smell of your home. Number 12 on our list of reasons why your house smells bad is skipping carpet cleaning. Carpets can trap a surprising amount of dirt, dust, and odors, especially in high-traffic areas. Over time, these trapped particles can start to smell, affecting the air quality in your home. Vacuum your carpets at least twice a week, paying extra attention to areas with heavy foot traffic. For deeper cleaning, consider renting a carpet cleaner or hiring a professional service every 6 to 12 months. Don't forget to tackle any spills or stains immediately to prevent them from setting in and causing long-term odors. Number 13. Overlooking upholstery cleaning. Just like carpets, your sofas and chairs can absorb body oils, sweat, and spills, creating odors over time. Regular vacuuming of your upholstered furniture can help remove surface dirt and odors. For fabric upholstery, use a fabric freshener spray between deep cleanings. Leather furniture should be wiped down with a damp cloth and treated with a leather conditioner to prevent odors. Consider having your upholstery professionally cleaned once a year to keep it looking and smelling fresh. Number 14. Not cleaning your washing machine. It might seem counterintuitive, but your washing machine needs cleaning too. Mold and mildew can build up in washing machines, especially in front loaders, leaving clothes and the machine itself smelling musty. Run an empty cycle with hot water and a cup of white vinegar or baking soda once a month to clean your machine. Leave the door open between washes to allow the machine to dry out completely. This will help prevent mold growth and keep your laundry smelling fresh and clean. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 15. Using damp towels repeatedly. Damp towels that aren't hung to dry properly can develop mildew, which produces a sour smell. After each use, hang your towels spread out on a towel bar or hook to allow them to dry completely. Avoid hanging them on hooks behind doors or in cramped spaces where air can't circulate. Wash your towels every 3-4 uses, using hot water and a cup of white vinegar in the rinse cycle to help eliminate any lingering odors. Fresh, dry towels will make your bathroom smell much better and feel more inviting. Number 16 on our list of reasons why your house smells bad is letting mold grow in the bathroom. Bathrooms are prime spots for mold growth due to their humid environment. This mold can cause a musty odor that permeates your entire home. To prevent this, make sure to run the exhaust fan during and after showers to reduce moisture. Clean your shower curtain, bathtub, and sink regularly with a mold-preventing cleaner. Pay special attention to grout lines, as these can harbor mold. For stubborn mold, a mixture of water and white vinegar can work wonders. Keep your bathroom smelling fresh and clean with these simple steps. Number 17. Allowing drains to get clogged. Slow or clogged drains can lead to unpleasant odors in your kitchen and bathroom. Food particles, soap scum, and hair can accumulate in pipes, causing foul-smelling water backups. To prevent this, use drain strainers to catch debris before it enters the pipes. Once a week, pour boiling water down your drains to help dissolve buildup. For stubborn clogs, try a mixture of baking soda and vinegar, followed by hot water. Regular maintenance of your drains will keep bad smells at bay and prevent costly plumbing issues. Number 18. Burning food while cooking. We've all had kitchen mishaps that resulted in burnt food. The smell can linger in the air and on surfaces, especially if not addressed quickly. When you burn food, open windows and turn on fans immediately to ventilate the area. Place a bowl of white vinegar on the counter to absorb odors. For persistent smells, simmer water with lemon slices and cinnamon sticks on the stove. This will create a pleasant aroma that can help mask any lingering burnt smells. Number 19. Using artificial air fresheners excessively. While air fresheners might seem like a quick fix for bad smells, overusing them can actually make your home smell worse. These products often mask odors rather than eliminating them and can mix with existing smells to create an unpleasant artificial scent. Instead of relying on air fresheners, focus on addressing the root cause of odors. Use natural alternatives like essential oils, simmering spices, or opening windows to freshen your home. These methods will leave your space smelling clean and natural. Number 20 on our list of reasons why your house smells bad is smoking indoors. Smoking inside your home can lead to long-lasting and difficult-to-remove odors. Cigarette smoke clings to furniture, walls, and fabrics, creating a pervasive smell that can be off-putting to non-smokers. If you smoke, try to do so outside. If that's not possible, designate a well-ventilated area for smoking and use an air purifier. Regular cleaning of surfaces and fabrics, along with proper ventilation, can help minimize the impact of indoor smoking on your home's smell. Number 21. Ignoring musty closets. Closets that aren't ventilated or are overstuffed can develop a musty smell that affects your clothes and the entire room. To prevent this, leave closet doors open when possible to allow air circulation. Use moisture-absorbing products like silica gel packets or activated charcoal to reduce humidity. Clean out your closets regularly, getting rid of items you no longer need. This will create more space for air to circulate and reduce the chances of musty odors developing. Number 22. Not airing out your home regularly. Without proper ventilation, odors can become trapped in your home, leading to stale air and unpleasant smells. Make it a habit to open windows for at least 15 minutes each day, even in cold weather. This allows fresh air to circulate and helps remove indoor pollutants. Use fans to increase air movement. If you live in a humid climate, consider using a dehumidifier to reduce moisture in the air, which can contribute to musty smells. Number 23. Forgetting to clean curtains and drapes. Curtains and drapes can absorb cooking smells, smoke, and dust, creating odors that permeate the room. Many people forget to include these items in their regular cleaning routine. Vacuum your curtains and drapes regularly using the upholstery attachment on your vacuum cleaner. Depending on the fabric, wash or dry clean them every 3-6 months. For delicate fabrics, consider professional cleaning. Fresh, clean curtains can make a big difference in how your home smells. Number 24 on our list of reasons why your house smells bad is not changing bedding frequently enough. Your bedding absorbs body oils, sweat, and dead skin cells, which can lead to unpleasant odors if not washed regularly. Aim to wash your sheets and pillowcases weekly. Comforters and duvet covers can be washed monthly. Don't forget about your pillows. Most can be machine washed every few months. Use hot water and a mild detergent to kill bacteria and remove odors. Regular washing not only keeps your bed smelling fresh, but also improves your sleep quality. Number 25. Leaving wet laundry in the washer. We've all forgotten about a load of laundry in the washer at some point. Wet clothes left too long can develop mildew and a sour smell. Try to move your laundry to the dryer promptly after the wash cycle ends. If you forget and notice a musty smell, rewash the load with a cup of white vinegar added to the rinse cycle. To prevent future mishaps, set a timer on your phone when you start a load of laundry. Number 26. Storing food in open containers. Strong-smelling foods like onions, garlic, or certain cheeses can spread odors throughout your fridge and kitchen if not properly sealed. Always store these items in airtight containers or resealable plastic bags. This not only contains odors, but also helps keep food fresh longer. For extra odor protection in your fridge, keep an open box of baking soda on a shelf to absorb smells. Number 27. Not taking care of houseplants. While houseplants can improve air quality, they can also contribute to bad smells if not cared for properly. Overwatering plants can lead to moldy soil, while decaying leaves can create a musty smell. Water your plants only when the top inch of soil feels dry. Remove any dead leaves promptly. If you notice a white, fuzzy mold on the soil surface, scrape it off and let the soil dry out before watering again. Healthy plants will contribute to a fresh-smelling home. The last item on our list of reasons why your house smells bad is failing to deodorize shoes. Shoes can harbor sweat and bacteria, which produce strong odors if they aren't cleaned or aired out regularly. After wearing, place shoes in a well-ventilated area to dry out completely. For persistent odors, sprinkle baking soda inside the shoes and let it sit overnight before shaking it out. You can also use odor-absorbing insoles or sachets. Rotate your shoes daily to give each pair time to air out between wears. These simple steps will keep your shoes and your home smelling fresh. Now you know the secret culprits behind those mysterious home odors. Tackling these common habits will transform your living space into a fresh-smelling haven. Start small, pick 1 or 2 areas to focus on this week. Maybe it's time to deep clean your fridge or finally wash those curtains. As you incorporate these tips into your routine, you'll notice a big difference in how your home smells and feels. Remember, a pleasant-smelling home isn't just about impressing guests. It's about creating a comfortable, inviting space for you to relax and recharge. So, take a deep breath, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to enjoy the sweet smell of success. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.